Even when we wear new clothes, we are taught to pray, Allahumma lakal hamd, anta kasawtanihi, as'aluka min khayrihi, wa khayri ma suni'a lahu, wa a'udhu bika min sharrihi, wa sharri ma suni'a lahu. That, oh Allah, for you is all praise. You are the one who has clothed me. I ask you for its goodness and the goodness that it was made for. And I seek refuge in you from its evil and the evil that it was made for. Subhanallah. And so often it happens that, you wear something new, it looks nice on you, it looks good on you, but then, it's not right for the weather. And, you get too cold or you get too hot, or that material is not suitable for your skin, you develop a rash. So these things can happen. So even when you're wearing clothes, something new, ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant you the good that is in it.